What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Steve from Printing Gang Investments, back with another market video, market update, Israel update, dip update, whatever you want to call it. So we ended the day red, but it's interesting because we actually started the day green. Everybody thought that everything was going to be okay with the Israel situation. Over the weekend, Iran tried to attack Israel with missiles and drone strikes, but the Israeli forces were actually able to block 99% of the missiles, which had the market kind of calm this morning. So everybody was thinking everything was going to be good. I was watching the market this morning, and the first thing I noticed was, for a market that's supposed to be green, we were just going red off top this morning. It was going red off top this morning. And then midday, in the middle of the day, which is what led to the sell-off, the Israeli forces announced that they will be getting their get back tonight. That's what they say. So with that being said, the market started to plummet. On top of that, we had a hot retail sales data today. And on top of that, bond yield spiked today. Goldman Sachs did have good earnings, so the banks was trying to do their thing, but it just got overshadowed with all the geopolitical tension, as they say. So with that being said, what do we need to do about this situation right here? This situation is different. We need to watch this one because this might give us the first real major dip of the year. This might give us the first real major dip of the year. We're going to see, do they actually invade tonight? Does anyone actually invade? What's the damage going to look like? Like, everything. We're trying to see how this geopolitical situation ends. For my traders, this might be a time to get into oil. I mean, oil's already been riding, but if things get real in the Middle East, that'll lead to an escalation in oil prices. Also, watch Lockheed Martin and Raytheon and now Palantir. Because for all my Palantir shareholders, you got to remember, we're a software prime now. So whatever happened out there in Israel, all that missile blocking, yes, Raytheon's out there. Yes, Lockheed Martin's out there. But I'm pretty sure our software was part of that process. They probably got a copy of Gotham loaded up out there right now, as my boy would say. The bears are loving this because it's knocking the market down. But I was listening to the market today, and Stephanie Link said some of the realest shit I ever heard. She said, if we do not have an earnings recession, the market can't crash. It's like, how's the market going to crash when these companies coming through beating earnings quarter after quarter after quarter? So in order to see a real correction and pullback, we would have to see stock earnings fall. And speaking of earnings, I was listening to Dan Ives. He said it's a pound the table moment on cybersecurity stocks. All the cybersecurity stocks got hit up more than normal today, like CrowdStrike, downgrade, down 7%. Snowflake and the rest of them, most of them down like 4% or more, 3% or more type of day. And I'm listening to what Dan Ives saying. It's like software spins right around the corner while all these stocks are tanking, getting downgraded. That's the kind of news we want to hear. And Palantir isn't necessarily cybersecurity. It's kind of more of an upgraded version of that. But it's just one of those times, like, this our first major dip. We got reason to actually be scared. I'm not saying it can't go lower. You know what I'm saying? We're cracking some major technical levels. I know on Palantir we're near a major break of structure area that I hope does not get knocked down. But if you in the right companies and they do what they need to do on earnings, you should be good. You should be good. So I'm just telling everybody, we're going to watch this situation unfold in Israel. We're going to see if they actually do something tonight like they say they're going to do. And we're just going to see if this tension continues and what it's going to do to the market. It's your boy Steve from Printing Gang Investments. I'm going to be back in the next video. Like, comment, subscribe, share, all that down below. I appreciate all the support. More live day trade, more content, more everything. I'm going to see you guys later.